In this video, you'll learn how to get a free trial for Shopify. By the end of this guide, you will successfully set up your account and explore the platform's features. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the official Shopify website. On the homepage, look for the button labeled Start Free Trial. This button is prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Before proceeding, it is beneficial to familiarize yourself with the terms of the trial. Understanding the limitations and features of the trial will help you maximize its benefits. After locating the Start Free Trial button, click on it to initiate the sign-up process. A registration form will appear, prompting you to enter your email address, create a secure password, and choose a unique store name. It is essential to double check this information for accuracy, as any mistakes could lead to complications later. Once you have confirmed that all details are correct, click on the Start Free Trial button to create your Shopify account. Following your account creation, you may be asked to answer a few questions about your business goals. Providing accurate and thoughtful responses will help tailor your experience on the platform. Completing this step ensures that you have a smooth setup and access to relevant trial features. Take your time to fill out the information correctly, as it can save you time and prevent potential errors in the future. Once your account is set up, you'll be directed to the Shopify dashboard. Here, you can begin exploring the various features available to you. Start by customizing your store, add in products, and testing different payment options. Utilizing the resources provided by Shopify can enhance your understanding of the platform's functionality. Make the most of the trial period to determine if Shopify aligns with your business needs, ensuring that all trial features are accessible and operational. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.